Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. LAFOR display the relationship between the average rate of curve to dash. Your right answer is total tax revenue to government. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following game is essentially a jump action? Your right answer is pole vault. Option A is your correct answer. What year was the property adjustment facility introduced by the Reserve Bank of India? Your right answer is 2000. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is a colored or aerosol type? Your right answer is fog. Option C is your correct answer. Who wrote the book Mahat Bhasha? Your right answer is Patanjali. Option B is your correct answer. Where did Vasco da Gama land in India first? Your right answer is Calicut. Option C is your correct answer. If an object can be shielded in the form of stars, then it will be called. Your right answer is flexible. Option D is your correct answer. Which Indian state meets the boundary of Daman and Diu? Your right answer is Gujarat. Option B is your correct answer. Chakayar Kuthu is a famous dance style. Your right answer is of Kerala. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following parliamentary forum was formed first? Your right answer is Parliamentary Forum for Water Conservation and Management. Option D is your correct answer. Central Bureau of Investigation receives power from dash. Your right answer is Delhi Police Establishment Act. Option C is your correct answer. What is the minimum number of days of employment provided by Mahatma Gandhi National Employment Guarantee Scheme? Your right answer is 100 employment allowance. Option C is your correct answer. On whose recommendation was the Central Vigilance Commission established? Your right answer is Santanam Committee. Option D is your correct answer. Which country received the medal in 18th Asian Games? Your right answer is China. Option C is your correct answer. Which is the branch of Buddhism called the Great Vehicle? Your right answer is Mahayana. Option C is your correct answer. What are the sexually transmitted chromosomes found in women? Your right answer is XX chromosome. In case of male, XY chromosome. What is the tenure of members of Central Vigilance Commission? Your right answer is 4 years. Option D is your correct answer. The human ear cannot hear the sound more than the frequency of dash. Your right answer is 20 kilohertz or 20,000 hertz. That sound is called ultrasound. If sound is produced between 20 to 20 kilohertz, that sound is called human audible sound. If less than 20 hertz sound is produced, that sound is called infrasonic sound. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following state is the traditional fall dance of Dandiya Ras? Your right answer is Gujarat. Option C is your correct answer. Who is the president of the National Human Rights Commission? Your right answer is retired Chief Justice of India. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the alternatives given is not related to gymnastics? Your right answer is volley. Option B is your correct answer. Rohtang Pass is located in which of the following state? Your right answer is Himachal Pradesh. Option C is your correct answer. Rio Olympics in 2016, which medal did Sindhu receive? Your right answer is silver. Option D is your correct answer. During which of the following Mughal painting was at its peak? Your right answer is Jahangir. Option C is your correct answer. When the temperature of the medium increases, the speed of sound goes dash. Your right answer is increased. Option D is your correct answer. According to the United Nations New Sustainable Development Goal (SDG), how long has been the goal of eliminating all kind of poverty? Your right answer is 2030. Option C is your correct answer. Lai Haroba festival is celebrated in which of the state? Your right answer is Manipur. Option C is your correct answer. Who was the founder of the Harik dynasty? Your right answer is Bimbisar. Option C is your correct answer. What is the topmost layer of Helper Earth for Life. Your right answer is lithosphere. Option B is your correct answer. Cobra coal mine are found in which state? Your right answer is Chhattisgarh. Option C is your correct answer. Which is the largest lake of salt water in India? Your right answer is Lake Chilika. It is present in Odisha. Chief Minister of Odisha, Naveen Patnaik. Governor of Odisha, Ganeshi Lal. Capital of Odisha, Bhubaneswar. National Human Rights Commission belongs to which ministry? Your right answer is Home Ministry. Option D is your correct answer. The sum of the number of neutrons and protons present in the nucleus is called the dash of atom. Your right answer is mass number. Option C is your correct answer. Waterborne illness is one of the following. Your right answer is cholera disease. Option A is your correct answer. Baffin Island is situated in which of the following continent? Your right answer is North America. Option D is your correct answer. What is the term pitches related to? Your right answer is cricket. Option D is your correct answer. All planet revolves around the sun in dash orbit. Your right answer is elliptical. Option D is your correct answer. Postpartum division of the cell leaves dash in the child cell compared to the parent cell. Your right answer is equal. Option B is your correct answer. A grant given to reinstate the existing service as a new service is called. Your right answer is token grant. Option C is your correct answer. Who founded the Vijay colony in Chittor? Your right answer is Rana Kumbha. Option B is your correct answer. How long does the term of the President of India be? Your right answer is 5 years. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following hill is not part of the Satpura range? Your right answer is Nalamala hill. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following games is used in balancing beam? Your right answer is gymnastics. Option B is your correct answer. The force of friction is the speed of some object dash. Your right answer is resist. Option B is your correct answer. The President of the State Human Rights Commission is appointed by whom? Your right answer is Governor. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following river makes India the largest delta? Your right answer is Ganga. Option A is your correct answer. Largest river in India. Your right answer is Indus River. Which of the following classical dance is based on Hindustani music? Your right answer is Kathak. And largest river in world, River Nile. Also important, very important question. 10th Guru was among the following. Your right answer is Guru Gobind Singh. Option C is your correct answer. In relation to the finance bill, which can be disposed of taxation, a bill can be introduced in which house of the parliament? Your right answer is Lok Sabha. Option C is your correct answer. This is your last question of today class, question of 50. Which of the following is the target group of Antyodaya Anna Yojana? Your right answer is the Ost Taba. Option A is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.